I know it probably looks like somewhere in the Pacific Northwest, maybe California, maybe Oregon, Washington State, but it's not. It's right here in the middle of Texas, Austin, and it's still winter. It's late January 2011, right here in beautiful Austin, Texas, Lady Bird Johnson Town Lake.